Hey guys, figured I'd do a bit of an update. So the car's getting its rust repaired, so that's going to take its time. So at the time of recording this, the battery tray and the aprons fixed up, so just cleaning up some of the engine bay stuff now. Next step I think is the front window cowl. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm killing some time. So I'm polishing up some stuff for the car. So here's a video I took yesterday of the the clutch pedal bracket. So I'll show you that now. It's all slightly polished, so I'm giving it a go. So this is aluminium, so I don't think it's really the right material for the polish I'm using. I don't know if it's going to make much of a difference. I'll obviously do a better job when it comes time to final assembly. But that was just playing around. So then I figured I'd work on the door strikers. So here's one of the door strikers. So it doesn't look too bad. Obviously you can see the zinc coating on it, but when you're rebuilding a car, what's the fun in keeping that? So I'm just going through and polishing them all up. So it's not going to look 100%, but it'll look better than kind of what they were. So I'll show you through that. So this is the one I showed you. It's not going to focus. It's nice and better than it was. So now I'll get onto the strike plates. That's the finished striker. So now these two are all done, and just like that, all of the door strikers are now polished. So I mean, they're not a perfect polish, but I'm not really going for that because they're going to be used. So come up a lot better than they were. So. Yeah. So I figured I'd just show you through some of the trim. So we got the trim at the front of the bonnet. I think that's plated steel. It's flaking quite a bit. Doorbell trims are actually pretty good. So I polished them up the other day. I've got a few nicks in them, so I'll go over them. They don't have to be 100% perfect. Then you got the trims that go around the windows, so they're in pretty good shape. So I'll just give them a nice polish up. A few different boot rear trims. So this is the one that goes on underneath the boot, and it's got a bit of a dent in it. So you have to figure out how to fix that. The other two are all right, so I'll just give them a polish up. Then there's the passenger side lower headlight trim. Then there's your tail light trim, your front headlight trims around the sides, and the headlight trim around the top. So all I need is the driver's side version of, or the driver's side of this This is under the driver's headlight, so a few holes have been molded up now. It's all nice. The passenger side, a few plates put in now, and it's all smooth and cleaned up. And then where the battery used to be. So the battery's going to go in the boot, so it's all nice and clean now and filled. Underside too. Now we look underneath where the airbox goes through. It's all nice and smooth and clean now. Thanks for watching, guys. We're getting some real progress here with the rust repairs. So hopefully the lower windshield will be done next time. So I'll get some footage of that. And thanks for watching.